Stop this right now because your edges deserve better. If you've been losing edges or struggling with thinning hairline, I'm going to show you the top mistakes to avoid and what to do instead. Your edges will thank you. Hey loves, welcome back to Styled by Demi. Today, I'm breaking down the habits that are destroying your edges and giving you quick, effective tips to keep them growing strong and healthy. One of the biggest causes of damaged edges is braiding too tight. Tight braids pull directly on your scalp and hairline, causing pain, bumps, and eventually breakage. Remember, neat doesn't have to mean painful. Another mistake is never giving your hairline a break. Back-to-back wigs and braids with no rest time lead to weak, thin edges. Always give your hairline at least 1 to 2 weeks of breathing space between installs. Mistake number 3 is dry edges. Dry edges break easily. Even with neat cornrows, if your hairline is dry and unprotected, you'll notice thinning. Moisturize your edges daily with a lightweight oil or serum. A little hydration goes a long way. Mistake number 4 is harsh glues and strong gels. Harsh glues and strong gels are another edge killer. Applying lace glue or heavy gel directly on your edges weakens the hairline over time. Instead, use gentle alternatives or apply products away from your natural edges. So based on these mistakes, I will provide 2 edge-saving tips you can take advantage of. Edge-saving tip number 1, oil and massage. To save your edges, add a simple routine. Lightly oil your hairline and gently massage it. This improves circulation and helps your edges grow stronger. Edge-saving tip number 2, protect at night. Protect your edges every night. Always wear a satin bonnet or silk scarf to reduce friction while you sleep. This small habit makes a big difference in keeping your hairline healthy. Protecting your edges is all about consistency and care. So, I would love you to stop these damaging habits and start applying these simple tips. Your edges will thank you. If this helped in any way, like this video, subscribe for more braid and hair care tutorials and drop a comment with your favorite edge care tip. Thank you and see you on the next one.